Now we go to see how to record angle speed and dynamic angle, but before we want to see the results of our job of the analysis of the video made before. So you see here it's possible to read the incoordination area 41.767 centimeter, and we have the measurement of the angles with minimum, maximum, and average, and the length of the height of jump with minimum, maximum, and the average. And here is the data that we are reading in actual moment. Remember that the yellow line is the line of the time, so we are reading the data in this moment, and you can compare the data that we are reading with the data that appear to the video. 200 you see that the angles here is 263.77 is the same here in the area of movement. But we go ahead to see the video. We can see the changing of angles with the imaging that tell us the angles, the change of the height with the changing of the angles. Of course, more this line is flat, more the athlete is available to stay in place without moving himself during the jump. This is a very nice way to have information about the uncoordination ability of our athletes. We open now BioMovie, and we start with the lectures, the new tutorial about how we can register, how we can analyze angle speed. We catch one video. So for instance, this one, excuse me, but okay. Okay, we open now and we try to use the same system to catch the video inside of BioMovie. Okay, and we have the area of the angles. You see the marker. Here is the marker. Here is a Nordic test. We want to analyze Nordic test and to compare the position of the body of the athletes respect his exercise. So we started going in the moment in which the athlete start with the movement. Okay, this is the moment. We can catch dynamic angle. We put our dynamic angle. You see here, we adjust and we put in this position. We put this in this position. The border of the sock. And here we put in the leg, okay, in this area. Now you see that this angle is the contrary. We go in the area of analysis. We says reverse the angle, and the angle is reversed. We says please add angular speed, okay. And you see that I have the vertex 1, 0, and 2. That is important to memorize, that 1 is the sock area and 2 is the area of leg, because it's useful if you lose the marker. We go ahead with our movie now. You see that we register the changing of the angle, and contemporarily we register the average and of the angular speed and instantaneous angular speed. You see that the data is not the same. We wait, of course, that the athlete finish X exercise. X exercise, the exercise of the athlete finish when the athlete touch the ground in this moment. And you see that with this kind of marker, the angle follow without any interview from the operators, and we just wait. Okay, we lose the marker. We go here. Okay, we put the marker in a correct place. We go ahead. We just wait that the exercise is finished. You see that in the area of the corner of the angle, in this area we have very small marker, but the program follow very well. Now we put the marker in a correct position. You see that I lose the marker. I go back. Okay, I retake the marker. I put it in the good correct area. You see that I lose the market because even if the data or the video is in a high definition, sometimes happen that I can have not a good definition in the area of market. So try to make your video with a good illumination, with a good light, with a good camera, with high quality camera. If you have not fast movement, you can use HD camera, HD movie. If you have a fast movement, on the contrary, my suggestion is to use a slow motion movie. Okay, when I have no good definition of the market, I go ahead frame by frame. In this way, my analysis is very precise. Okay, I can stop in here on my analysis, and I can finish my analysis saying to my tools disappear now and export data. And it says, okay, I want to export CSV, and I call, for instance, test. Okay, yes, I want to have a chart. Okay, I have a generic chart. Okay, in my generic chart now I can read many information about the area or the moment or the angles that is a correspondent of the weekend moment of my athlete. You see, we can eliminate something that could be not useful for us. We try to do with this. Okay, this is an angular speed average. Okay, we change color that is more clear for us. Okay, and you see the right moment or the correct moment in which the athlete start to take his body weight and follow in follow forward and fall down in the ground. We can, as a first thing, to synchronize the data. It's very easy here. It's not difficult. We have a time, the light blue information. We move in this until the moment seen by the light blue. You see, they move like this. It's very sensible. Okay, we go back and we arrive to 0.080. 0. Data time. Okay, same moment. Okay, same angular speed. Okay, average. I can say okay for now. We go ahead in our movie, and I can decide to stop my movie in the moment in which I consider that the angular speed increase, the average of angular speed increase, this moment, and I see that the angle in which the athlete finished to take his body weight before to fall down is this angle, 102.91. I can add even more information for instance, angle information. And you see from this graph that my information is correct, corresponding. Okay, I can see also another information. So angular speed, you see that here is more. There are more not precise or more less clear information because you record any movement, any vibration that the body done during the exercise. Of course, more the athlete is strong, more this line is straight without having this movement. But you understand that is the reason, because it's difficult to recognize the weekend angle in this line, in the instantaneous and moment by moment speed angle or angular speed, is because our athlete move a lot or vibrate a lot with the muscle. So this is the reason, because I prefer to have the average of the angular speed, and in the average of angular speed I can see clear what's happened. I can add, remember, minimum, maximum, and average of the angular speed, and after this my test is finished. I can record this information to my Excel or any other file or any other instrument, any other software to record data, and I give my data to strengthening and conditioning coach that know the situation of this athlete into making hamstring test. Okay, this is the most important information for ourselves to start to use with satisfaction BioMovie software. For any other question, please find myself. You can find myself by Skype. I show you. You have Skype. You can find myself with this name, okay, Ergo Consult, or my name, Ergo Consult is my name, okay, or my name, Mauro Testa. You can find myself asking these two information, or sending me an email or any information. I write you, I type for you. My email is info@ergoconsult.it, okay, or calling me if you prefer, okay. Number of Italy is a 0039, and my mobile phone is a 335602186. So after this, I want to tell you thank you for your attention, and I hope that this information could be useful for you, and I hoping to see you very satisfied of this software. Bye.